So I'm just going to show you a little tour around of our larger vehicle, our larger van on the fleet. In the side door there we have our water tank, vacuum cleaners, we have our steps and our machine polishing equipment. Because we've got the big 5 kilowatt generator, this allows us to power a 3 motor vacuum cleaner. So when we're doing really filthy trucks and really filthy cars, it's got a really good suction on it for getting all the dirt out of seats and heavily soiled vehicles. So with the larger van, we can carry up to 1,000 litres of water. So we fill this up when we're on site, and this helps us take care of something like 50 car washes, or whether it's 30 motorhomes that need washing. So we've got the water to work on site. Also, we have 5 kilowatt generator that allows us to power the vacuum cleaners for wet vacuum seats, but also allows us to power the compressor for the airline, for detailing fridges and cookers. So in the rear of this van we use the Honda 390, one for its pressure, and two because it's been specially adapted to turn down to a low pressure for soft washing motorhomes and caravans. The flow can go from 14 litres a minute down to 10 litres a minute, which allows us safely to wash caravans and motorhomes. So when we're on site doing lorry washing, we can then turn the valve back up, which allows the flow of the water to be increased for washing lorries and trucks on site. We have to step in the back of the van, and then we have a selection of all our refill bottles from Hortiglem to Ultra Smart products. We have a selection of large caravan brushes. Some of these brushes are 8 foot long. The bigger one reaches to 18 foot for doing motorhomes and coaches with. We also have a turbo nozzle that we turn the pressure washer down. That also allows us to wash overhangs of lorries and trailers. So because the Sprinter has large back doors, this allows us to fit more bottle holders, so we can carry more bottles for the valeter to have a selection of cleaner stuff. So he'll have things from like his Ultra Smart finish to his interior fabric spray, tar and glue remover, wheel cleaner, his interior sheen. He'll also have other air fresheners, other dressing, quick detailers, ceramic spray waxes, ceramic spray polishes. So on the rear of this van we also have a huge light bar, so in the evenings when it starts getting a bit dark too quickly, we can then still finish off the jobs during the dark. We also have a reversing camera on this van for backing up onto site, so when it can be safe when we're backing up to your driveway. Also on this van we have beacons up on the roof for when we're on site, for the safety for your staff. Because we've got large back doors, we went for a full colour graphic to show off that we do all sorts of motorhomes, caravans, larger cars, smaller cars and your electric cars. And then we've got our normal Smart Valeting branding on the sides with the book online now, and a telephone number where you can call one of our valeters and they'll take your call directly. So we've chose the Sprinter van for this van setup, so it allows us to carry enough water to be able to wash 50 cars on site, 50 vans on one pitch. It's very nice to drive. It's got cruise control. It's a very nice driving position. It's a big unit. We also again allow our staff to put their loved one's name on, keeping it all within our team, so everyone's a part of the Smart Lighting UK group.